Hey, YYC USA Costco lovers. I'm with Donnie. He's the car wash super here in Bellingham. And there's 2 car washes in Washington State, 13 in America.
Yes.
And so if you are a Costco member, you can get into this line. And how do I get a car wash?
A couple ways you can get one. You can buy one inside the warehouse if you're buying your groceries. You ask for a car wash, we'll do it there. If you're getting gas for the day, you can prompt at the gas station to get a car wash as well. And you say yes, bring your receipt through. If you did not buy one of those locations, we do have some paying kiosks.
Okay.
Where you can insert your membership card, your payment card, get a receipt, and that's it.
Now, how much is a car wash?
A car wash is $7.99 before tax. You're looking at $8.61 after tax.
Amazing. And how long does it take for the car to go through the wash?
From beginning of the car wash on the conveyor belt to the end of the dryer section, you're looking at 2 minutes and 45 seconds.
That's super fast.
Yeah.
And
there are about 5 brushes on each side of the car that touch the car.
wow. And is it soft wash? Like it won't scratch?
They're soft brushes. They're like an Envirofoam soft brush. Like they can think of a finger foam. That's the kind of material we kind of use. So
awesome.
It's designed not to hold any extra dirt or residues.
Okay. So. And what does it clean on my car? Do I get to pick different washes?
It is all the same package. There's
okay.
There's no ifs, ands, or buts. You get the basic wash. You get the bug spray. You get undercarriage. You get a tire shine. You get a spot-free rinse. And any other extra chemicals you do for any car washes as well. So
okay, and a dry.
And a dry, obviously.
Okay.
Yes.
And it's super cool because we're seeing this parking lot is extra large, and people are kind of pulling over after and drying off their cars.
Yeah, everybody comes through, and we do have a drying situation where it's a spot-free rinse. So even though it dries, it won't leave those spots in the car. But some people are very particular about getting them off the car in the first place, which is totally fine.
Okay. So. Now, what's the largest number of cars you've had go through in a day?
We had 1,186 cars. And that was sometime last summer. I technically have a little tally and scoreboard in my back room.
That's so cool.
We just hit 1,111 like 2 weeks ago. So
amazing. Yeah. And it's so fast. Like by the time we walked here, people are moving along. So
yeah, and now we have 2 of us. We have one person loading people on the conveyor belt to get them in safely, put it in neutral, give them instructions. And one person making sure everybody's paid for the car wash because they didn't.
Right.
We help them pay for it, get it taken care of, so there's no stall time as much as possible. Yeah.
Okay. What else do I need to know?
I mean, it's a great member. It's less than $9 for a car wash, and you can't beat the quality of the car wash. There's a member satisfaction guarantee with any product at Costco. So if you don't like it for any reason, we refund you in the warehouse for that car wash. If you didn't like it, totally fine. So
well, we're Costco lovers, so thank you, Donnie.
Of course, yeah. Anytime, come back.
Come check it out. So we are at the Bellingham Costco car wash with Donnie, who's the car wash super. Are these environmentally friendly?
Yes, we only use chemicals that are safe within the regulations of the state and even the city itself. So if you go to a car wash here and a car wash in California, you'll get different chemicals because they want to make sure we abide by the laws. We actually have a reclaim system, so any kind of extra water we can reuse, we will reuse it as best as we can, so that we're not using extra, we're not wasting the extra, and that way everything's coming out and being safe for the environment. So.
Perfect. And when we say chemicals, they're environmentally safe.
Yes. 100%.
All right. Costco's all about sustainability. Check it out.